I recently bought this Air 75 keyboard from NuPhy and wanted to share my hands-on review after using it for a week. Unboxing the package, you get the keyboard itself, a USB-C charging cable, a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, extra keycaps, a switch extraction tool, and a set of brown, red, and blue switches. They've also included magnetically attaching rubber feet to raise the typing angle of the keyboard for a more comfortable typing session. Right outside of the box, the keyboard feels extremely premium to hold on to. Its aluminum chassis, along with the plastic back, has no bend or flex to it. The PVT keycaps also feel very comfortable and well balanced to type on. The toggle switches on the side are also very high quality compared to my older Keychron K3's flimsy switches. The 75% layout is just the right size for me as a graphic designer, as it retains all the function and navigation keys and is yet very portable for my travel needs. It is no doubt that this is seriously a good looking keyboard. The design of the keyboard itself is very informal yet classy, especially with those rounded corners and the light strips on either side. The space gray colored aluminium frame ties up the bright colored accent keys and the layout very well. It is relatively thin because of its low profile switches and cleverly designed keycaps, which makes it very portable. I've also noticed that the issue of text alignment in the keycaps, as pointed out by the former reviewers, has now been resolved. Overall, it is definitely a showpiece for your desk setups. Mechanical keyboards like this provide distinct audio feedback on every press of the mechanical switches, due to which I feel it makes the typing experience seem more purposeful and at the same time very satisfying. I have truly enjoyed typing on this keyboard with gate-around brown switches so far. The presses are deep and the typing sounds are very comforting. The keyboard is also hot swappable, which means that I can change the individual switches for a very different feel. The keycaps are also cross-compatible with other MX-style stems on the market today. The backlit RGB lighting on the keyboard is bright and colorful. Along with that, light strips on the side add a very different aesthetic to the keyboard while also serving a specific purpose. The left one glows white while the caps lock is on and shows the Bluetooth connection status, while the right one can be programmed to show battery and connected operating system status. It changes to white while connecting to Mac and blue on Windows, which has been especially handy to me considering that I switch between the two quite frequently these days. The RGB lighting underneath has many different lighting patterns and shines very well. However, I would have personally preferred shine-through keycaps if the option was available. It isn't a deal breaker for me as I mostly use it in well-lit environment, but it's definitely something to keep in mind if you prefer a darker workspace. If you're curious about knowing more about the keyboard, I've also written a blog post about it and linked it in the description below. The keyboard can save 3 devices over Bluetooth and 1 additional device over the included 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. It connects instantly to my Mac and PC with just a press of a button and has no noticeable lag for a day-to-day use. If you game on this keyboard, however, I would recommend using the dedicated USB-C cable or the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. For $130 including shipping, I think the keyboard is a perfect overall package. What makes this particular keyboard a perfect choice for me are a few things: its compact size, elegant design, and a 75% layout. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I have left a link to their website in the description box below. Until then, stay happy and healthy, and see you in the next one.